Hey everyone, so we are going to make these beautiful nativity ornaments. They're quick and easy and so pretty, and the real reason for the season, right? So let's get started. So I've got these prints, so many nativity prints in my Etsy shop, and I will put the listing below this video. And I'm using these wood tags that I get at Hobby Lobby. They come in a 12-pack for only $2.99, so that figures out to be 25 cents for each wood tag. So I make a lot of ornaments using these. So I'm just taking the twine off, and I'm going to make a couple for this video. So I'm just getting a makeup sponge and just cutting it in half, so I'm just using half of it. And I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge on both of them. And I actually put too much. I didn't need that much just for this small little project, but I just kind of wipe it on my paper towel. But I want to make sure I get all the edges and the corners really well too. Just a nice smooth layer on both. And then I will use my heating tool to dry those completely. Just getting a thick piece of cardboard to put over my craft mat so my little mini heat press doesn't warp it. So I'm putting these on, and they're too big, obviously, but I'll sand it all down. So I'm just laying them on the ornament where I want them. So I want to make sure the baby Jesus shows, and of course Mary and Joseph's head as well. So I've got those positioned, and then I put my parchment paper over the top. And this is my little mini heat press, and I love this. This has been so fun to have. And I'm just going over it a few times, just getting all the edges and make sure the whole entire surface is covered. And they're really quite hot, so before I sand I want to make sure they're really cooled off. And I'm just using my little mini gator sander. I love this thing. Just going around all the edges, obviously, and sanding it and smoothing all those edges out. Look how cute it's looking already. Doing that to both of them. And I am keeping this pretty simple. I didn't want to go all out. I didn't want a lot of greenery. I didn't want to take it. I wanted the nativity image to be obviously the main focal point. So I'm just using my little stylus. I got the Dollar Tree and punching through the paper to get my hole again. And I'm going to put that twine back on. So I'm just folding it in half. Sticking that loop through, pulling it enough so I can bring both those strands back through the loop. Then I'm going to just put another knot back in, right on the edge. So cute. Now I've got this Extreme Glitter by Folk Art. I got this on Amazon, and this is so fun. So I just got a little bit in my lid, and I'm just using my stylus and putting some little dots kind of just all around the heads, and also on the other one there's a few stars and stuff, so just kind of on those, just kind of randomly. And now I'll give those a quick dry because I didn't want to smear them. And as they dry, you can see how glittery they are. They're so pretty. And last but not least, I'm just tying a basic little twine bow, a shoestring bow, cutting it down to size, and I'm going to glue that on each one. Like I said, I was keeping this project super simple and minimal. But as you'll see in a moment, I've got them hanging on my tree, and they look so pretty. And these would be great gifts for friends, coworkers, neighbors, ministering sisters. Anyway, there they are. I hope this inspires you to make something similar. Please check out all the links below my video, and you have a whimsical day.